Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal in EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the EasyPark application. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have a profile, register to EasyPark. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us. So here we have, as you can see, your location, where you can put location service is off at the moment for me, but your location will be here if you put it. In the top right corner, we have activity, vehicles, account, and payment. As you can see, a lot of stuff about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with PayPal in EasyPark. So to do so, you need to go and click on these three dots in the top right corner. After that, you just need to go and click on payment. So basically, when you click on payment, you'll have a lot of options. You can add a payment method here, which you can see your remaining parking credit here. But before accessing any promotional credit, you need to add a payment method. And you have a business account also. What you need to do when you're adding a payment method, you just need to go and put PayPal instead of your credit card or whatever you wanted to put in. So you'll have an option to add PayPal there. As you can see, click on it. You have credit or debit card, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Just click PayPal, and that's what you need to do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!